The JESLED T8 LED 4-foot Type B light bulbs stand out as a robust and efficient lighting solution for a wide array of settings. With a wattage of 24W, these bulbs emit a commendable brightness of 3000 lumens, ideal for both residential and commercial environments. The cool white light, corresponding to 6000K, is perfect for tasks that require clarity and focus. One of the key features is the instant-on capability, ensuring you do not have to wait for the light to warm up, ideal for areas where immediate visibility is crucial. The dual-end powered bipin G13 base simplifies installation, though it does require the removal of the ballast, making it suitable for those looking to upgrade their existing fluorescent setups with a more energy-efficient alternative. In terms of longevity, these bulbs boast an impressive lifespan of over 50,000 hours. This longevity, combined with high efficiency, contributes to cost savings over time, making them a smart investment.